In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unbind a CMS collection in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and select the collection list that's connected to your CMS collection. Open the Element Settings panel and review the current collection source and any connected CMS fields. If you want to use a different collection, change the collection source to the new CMS collection. Then reconnect your text, images, and other elements to the appropriate fields. If you remove the CMS connection, you'll need to replace any dynamic content with static content or reconnect it to another collection. Your CMS data won't be deleted, only the connection to that collection list changes. Preview your page to make sure everything displays correctly, then publish your website if you're happy with the changes. That's how to unbind a CMS collection in Webflow. Thanks for watching.